Savoring the spice, quick and healthy Indian recipes. Have you ever been enchanted by the aromatic blend of spices and the rich, diverse flavors of Indian cuisine? Quick and Healthy Indian Recipes invites you to embark on a delightful culinary journey, offering not just a taste of India but a vibrant and nutritious approach to cooking that fits into your busy lifestyle. How can you indulge in the sumptuous flavors of India while maintaining a commitment to health and time efficiency? Join us on a path that will unveil the tantalizing secrets of quick and healthy Indian recipes, promising an exploration of taste and well-being like never before. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the captivating allure of Indian cuisine, a tapestry of culinary traditions, regional diversity, and bold flavors. It's about understanding that Indian food isn't just about indulgence, it's a journey of sensory delight. Discover how quick and healthy Indian recipes become the cornerstone of not just enjoying a delicious meal but also promoting well-being by incorporating the nutritional wisdom of India's rich culinary heritage. In a world where time is of the essence, the magic of quick and healthy Indian recipes lies in their ability to combine the richness of flavors with the ease of preparation. This is where the mesmerizing scent of spices and herbs takes center stage. Explore how Indian cuisine empowers individuals to create mouth-watering dishes in a fraction of the time it would take for traditional recipes. It's about shifting the paradigm from time-consuming cooking to a convenient, nutrient-packed culinary experience that fits seamlessly into modern life. The journey takes a delectable turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing quick and healthy Indian recipes. From savoring the exotic flavors to enjoying the health benefits of spices like turmeric, cumin, and cardamom, you'll learn how this culinary approach can significantly enhance your culinary adventures. Uncover the science behind the connection between Indian spices and health, allowing you to make informed choices that lead to a more delicious and nutritious way of life. It's not just about exotic ingredients and complex recipes. It's about demystifying the art of Indian cooking and making it accessible to everyone. The captivating element of the journey lies in how you can customize your quick and healthy Indian recipes to suit your dietary preferences, whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or omnivore. Discover how Indian cuisine not only delights your taste buds but also nourishes your body, allowing you to experience the best of both worlds, culinary delight and health-conscious living. Quick and healthy Indian recipes aren't about spending hours in the kitchen. They're about finding culinary inspiration that can transform your daily meals. We'll delve into various aspects of Indian cuisine, from cooking techniques and ingredient selection to understanding the rich cultural history behind each dish. Whether you're seeking to explore a new culinary world, introduce your family to diverse flavors, or simply looking for a quick and healthy meal option, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the tantalizing secrets of quick and healthy Indian recipes and embark on a journey of taste and well-being like never before. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.